allegation, with regards to the two projects, that is ISBT and also the assembly building, that these projects were supervised by me, the executive engineer of PWD buildings. But I want to clarify that the ISBT was not under my supervision. It is under the supervision of the other division, not under the supervision of executive engineer of PWD buildings. Now, for the supervision of assembly building, this project has a team of supervising team. From PWD, we have a team of engineers, we have a team of architects to supervise this project. We also have, a team of engineers and a team of architects from Design Associates from Delhi. And not only that, we also have, engineers, especially from the company, executing and implementing this project. 24/7, they have their own engineers. And, as per the allegations, it is only the EE who are supervising this project. But I want to clarify that these are the team who supervise for the construction of the assembly building. Now I want to conclude that with regards to these allegations, and I also want to request, to individuals, to social media friends, and to few people who always have the habit of blaming individuals without a proof. Now from my side, I want to request that to avoid these kind of allegations without any proof. And if these things happen again, it will take me to do my job and to take legal procedures. So once again, thank you very much.